Hi, let's take this PDF bank statement with 6 pages. It's got a mix of tables and text. We'll see how to convert the statement data in page 2 to CSV format. This is the data we're going to convert within a minute, directly inside Google Sheets. We'll use a Google Sheets add-on for this. The add-on is called Convert PDF to Google Sheets Bank Statement. I have it installed already, but you can get it through the Get Add-ons menu here. So let me open the add-on, and it will open as a sidebar right inside Google Sheets. So here we need to choose the extract mode. Now let's upload our bank statement PDF file. This is our file. File uploaded. We wanted the second page, so choosing page 2. Now click the Extract Data button here. Extraction is in process. And here, we got the data on the spreadsheet. The table layout is preserved. Let's check whether it is accurate. Let's compare this with the original data in the bank statement PDF. The transaction data is extracted accurately, but the checks part below is missed. Here you can see a Download CSV button, which gives you the CSV file corresponding to the data extracted on the sheet. Now, let us see how to get the missed part separately. We can also apply this to other pages, where we can take a snap of a specific portion we need to convert. Now we'll save this snap as an image and upload it to the add-on. Coming to the add-on, now upload the snap that we just saved. Taking a new sheet for clarity. Now let's extract data from this snap. Here, we got the data on the spreadsheet. Let's verify the accuracy with the original one in the PDF. I guess it's good. And you can get the CSV file of this portion from here again. So this is the flow I wanted to share with you, where you can convert bank statement from a PDF or image to CSV without leaving Google Sheets, without any manual entry. Try this add-in for free and share your feedback in the comment section.